Question 10 is 4 marks. The first part says, on the number 9, represent the inequality W is less than 1. This is an easy peasy question. Where is 1? 1 is here, so we make a circle. Less than 1 is these numbers, the ones going to the left. That's your answer. This is 1 mark. Just for your information, if this was equal here, you should shade in this dot. And that's it. If it's not, then you don't need to shade it. And let's go to the second part. The second part says, the region R shown shaded in the diagram is bounded by 3 straight lines. And they just want you to write the equations of these lines. Now, always start with the horizontal or the vertical line. For example, nice line here. This line crosses y equals 4, right? Now, is it shaded less or above the line? Below or above the line? It's below the line, so it's less than. Is the line dotted or solid? The line is solid, so it's less than or equals. If the line is dotted like this, so it's just y is less than 4. But because it's a solid line, it's less than or equals. This is important. Now we finished one line, we need to do another 2. Now let's do this. This line crosses x equals -3 here. So it's x and -3. Is it more than or less than -3? Less than -3 are -4, -5. Are these shaded? No. The shaded numbers are all more than -3. So this is more than. Because the line is solid, it's more than or equals. Last line is this nice line here. Now, we need to find the equation of this line. It's usually y equals mx plus c, where c is the y-intercept. Since this line crosses the y at this point, 0, so there is no point for the c. So it's just mx. Now, how do we find m? M is the slope. We find it by rise over run. How many steps do we rise? How many steps do we run? We rise 1, we run 1. So it's 1 over 1, which is just 1. So the slope m is 1. So it's y equal 1x, which is just y equal x. Now, did we shade above the line or below the line? We shaded above the line, so it's more than. Is the line dotted or solid? The line is solid, so it's equals. And this is your 3 marks for this part. How easy is this question?